Hi guys, presenting to you guys yung aking eggplant na ilulutuin ko siya guys ng eggs. So yan guys, i-slice ko siya ng cubes. Ayan, so makikita nyo sa video guys, ay ini-slice ko siya ng cubes. And after that guys, kapag na slice ko na siya ng lahat, binababad ko yan siya guys ng salt water para hindi siya mangitim agad yung aking eggplant. After that guys, i-steam ko siya guys ng 5 minutes. After 5 minutes guys, medyo i-drain ko siya guys, strainer ko siya para matanggal na yung kanyang sabaw. And after that, lagyan ko na siya ng ng panlasa niya guys. So ayan guys, yung tubig niya yan guys ay mayroon siyang asin para hindi siya mangitim agad. So ayan na, nilagyan ko na siya ng ng nilagay ko na siya strainer. Yan, i-steam ko na siya guys ng 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes yan guys, i-drain ko siya, i-drain ko yung tubig, and after ma-drain ko yung tubig guys ay timplahan ko siya ng 2 tablespoon ng cornstarch, and then tawag dyan, yung chicken powder, yan, 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes guys ay check na natin, ayan siya guys, okay na siya, ayan. So pinaano lang natin siya guys, pakuluan lang natin siya ng lamigin na natin siya ng konti, saka natin lagyan ng ibang panlasa guys. So ayan na siya guys. Then so ang aking egg guys ay 5 piraso yan guys na egg. Tapos lagyan ko lang ng chicken powder yung egg guys. So ayan na siya guys. Sinalo ko na siya dyan. So after that nahalo ko ng maigi, nilagyan ko pa yan siya ng cornstarch. Para siya na medyo hindi siya ma-firm siya guys kapag na fried na siya. Kapag na kumbaga eggplant omelette yan siya guys. So you can try it guys. Just only 1 eggplant and 5 pieces of eggs. And then you just steam the eggplant first. Cut into the cubes, steam the eggplant, and after. So yan na nga guys. Ayan, pina-fried ko na siya guys. Yan ang final result niya guys. So very nice and very firm siya guys. So it's just like a pizza eggplant, right? So you can try it guys, and it's very yummy. So it depends on you guys kung lagdagan nyo yung mas medyo salty or whatever ang kanyang lasa guys. Kayo na bahala mag-adjust guys. So ayan na guys, presenting my eggplant egg omelette. So yan, you can try it guys. It's just look like a pizza eggplant. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope na may natutunan din kayo guys sa aking menu for today. So thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye, and God bless you all.
Thank you for watching.